So we arrived at Eliana Signature Hotel here in Hanoi. It looks amazing, as you can see, but our first impression is not that good. So we actually booked this room this morning, which I think is normal because we are doing that all the time. But when we came, they wanted to move us to some different hotel. Like, reviews were kind of like not too bad on the second hotel, but we pay more here and we would get like lower room category there, so it's like not really fair. So when we deal with them, they actually offer us to stay here. They found a room, I don't know how, but yeah, they found a room, and we originally booked a room with a view. I will show you our view. Yeah, so really nice city view, as you can see. Yeah, so I don't really like this type of room because it's usually smelly, even if it's new hotel, etc. If there is no proper window, it's smelly, and you can smell it here as well, even it's new hotel. So we got offer to get another room with similar view, but at least it wasn't that smelly. There was some there was open ceiling, so I think it might be better, but we will see what we can get. We are still waiting. Yeah, not good impression. Yeah, so we got second room. Yeah, again, amazing city view.
It's part of the city.
Yeah, it's part of the city. Yeah. But at least it's not that smelly here. You can.
It's a bit nicer.
Yeah, you can breathe normally. I like this style, but I really don't understand what's going on.
And it is a bit bigger, so it's definitely a different category.
It's definitely a different category, but still without city view, but it's fine. At least we have some window or some kind of a window. Yeah, so we are staying here for 2 nights.
I don't want to move anymore, so.
Yeah, we will stay. So at least one thing which I need to appreciate is this travel tips. It's really good. There is some restaurants down here, recommendation for taxis, currency, etc. We also got a map here. Yeah, so here is like night market. We already visited, but we will go there again probably tonight. And lake, yeah, so lots of stuff here.